In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Printify as a production partner on Etsy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, adding Printify as a production partner to your Etsy store can really amp up your product offerings and streamline your print-on-demand process. It allows you to tap into Printify's extensive catalog of customizable products while also managing your orders efficiently through Etsy. So if you're ready to grow your business, grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's get started. The first step you need to take is to log into your Etsy shop. Once you're in, head on over to the Shop Manager section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your Etsy store, from listings to orders. You'll find a ton of powerful tools at your disposal here, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. When you're in the Shop Manager, look for Settings on the left-hand menu. It's typically located near the bottom. Click on that and you'll see several options appear. Among these, you will find Production Partners. Click on that option and you'll be brought to a new screen where you can add your production partners. Now this is an important step, so pay close attention. You'll want to click on Add a Production Partner. This will prompt you to fill in some essential information about Printify. To start with, you typically need to include the name of the production partner, which in this case is Printify. It's crucial to get this right, so make sure you spell it correctly. Next, you'll need to provide an address. This can often be a little tricky, as Printify has multiple fulfillment centers. If you're not sure which address to use, you can generally find this information in your Printify account or on their website. Just navigate to the Settings or the Help section, and it should be clearly listed. Once you've filled out the name and address, you'll move to the next field. This asks for the type of production they handle. Since Printify is a print-on-demand service, make sure you select that option. This is necessary because it lets Etsy know that you'd like to link your shop to a service that prints and ships products on demand. After you fill out all the required fields, you'll most likely need to agree to some partnership terms. This is just a way for Etsy to ensure both you and Printify operate under their guidelines. Take a moment to read through these terms. Although they can be a bit lengthy, they're essential to understand. Once you've completed all of that, you can hit the Save button. That's it! You've now officially added Printify as a production partner on your Etsy store. It might seem simple, but it's a pivotal step in simplifying your workflow. Now that you have Printify set up as your partner, the next step is to start creating products if you haven't done so already. You'll want to return to your Printify account, select the products you'd like to offer on Etsy, and design them according to your brand style. Be as creative as you can. Remember, custom products stand out. When you finish designing, publish these products to your Etsy shop through the Printify platform. This integration allows you to offer a wide range of items without having to worry about inventory or shipping. Just focus on marketing your products, and the print-on-demand process will take care of the rest. Congratulations! You have successfully added Printify as a production partner on Etsy and are now well on your way to creating a thriving online store. Don't forget to take a moment to check everything is functioning correctly and monitor your shop performance over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, I encourage you to subscribe and hit that like button. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on growing your Etsy shop and mastering the art of e-commerce.